Okay, I bought these molds to make pop sockets with off of Amazon, and look at how freaking cool these are. They have like a film inside of them that's supposed to make your resin holographic, and I've never tried these before, but I'm really excited to give them a shot. Look at how cool that is. Okay, I poured some resin, put in some alcohol ink, and then because I'm so extra, I also added some iridescent glitter, and I'm now going to try to unmold it. I really hope that I didn't overdo it with the alcohol ink, but we'll see. All right. Oh yeah, it's definitely not solidified yet. Okay. So I'm gonna just do a set on this, and then I'm gonna try again and do a little less alcohol ink. So this was kind of a fail, but on my part. Okay, so this is attempt number 2. I'm nervous. I'm only nervous because I put a lot of resin in there, and normally I would do like a really shallow pour because UV resin isn't really meant for casting. And then like when I would use something like this is clear, so I can kind of, you know, shine it from the bottom as well. But this is not clear, it's opaque, so I wasn't able to do that. But I'm gonna try to demold it and see what it looks like. All right, let's hope that it's fully cured. I did put a bottom layer and cured the bottom layer this time. So let's see. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Look at this. That is so freaking cool. It still feels a little bit gummy, so I'm gonna shine the light on it a little bit more on this side. But that is really, really a cool effect. Wow, I'm impressed. Okay, I'm really excited about these molds. That is so neat looking. So I got a whole set, and it came with circle with these like, you know, just sunburst patterns, and then it came with another mold, and I think that it has a different pattern. So let me unbox that and we'll see it. Okay, the other two actually don't have the holographic effect. It came with a heart, which has like this creepy, I don't like the way that looks. And then it has just this normal one. Please excuse my absolute disaster of a table. But yeah, look at how cool this is. That is so neat that it does that from just this like effect on the mold. And it's not something that comes up, it's just like part of the mold. Yeah, that's really cool. So I'm gonna turn this into a pop socket, which is actually what that kit came with. It came with some pop sockets, and then it also came with like some badge holders. I have no use for a badge holder, so I'm gonna turn it into a pop socket. Awesome.